Alright guys, welcome to a video. Will be Calvin Lloyd, the host of today's video. We will be playing some Twister today. But yeah, right now, kind of not doing anything. We're head over here where Tom is, and we're taking a right up towards Welchel. So yeah. Now I do have another vehicle where I can't go inside the Tornado. No, it is not the Dominator. It has the rack on top. It's just like another truck, like one of these, but it's like kind of like a Ford. But yeah, as we can see, the storm is kind of growing. So yeah, today's gonna be a good day. Go chase some storms. I'll probably keep this car. Crap, we missed our turn around. But I probably will keep this car unless it's like a small tornado. Then I'll pull out the other truck. As you can't see, I've been hit by hail. Cracked my window. Always sucks. But oh, we already have debris. Jeez, the winds must be crazy then. Tornado. Holy. I'll go ahead and turn on our hazards. Right now, we're just driving up here. Go see if there was a tornado. Right now, I kind of can't see anything because it's rain wrapped. Jeez. Crazy tornado. Well, not tornado, I mean crazy lightning. But I think this place was hit by a tornado earlier this week. Oh yeah, we're in the gist of it, so we'll be looking out for a tornado, guys. No rotation yet, it's just a big old storm. Oh, never mind. Turn around. Just got reports that there's rotation back down this way. So we're gonna head back down this way. Oh. Oh, that looks like that's gonna produce a massive tornado. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. Right there where my mouse is, that's all circulation.
Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning
for got a tornado warning.
North Central Keysota.
Holy guys.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe
that is going to
producing a tornado near Trent.
Produce something here.
70 miles
oh look
per
at that. It's coming down.
Elma.
Guys, that's a big tornado. That is a big tornado. Holy, tornado touchdown. Tornado. Yo, that's at least a mile long. Holy, guys. Yeah, I'm staying in this car because that's too big of a tornado. Holy, guys, these houses are destroyed. Look at the debris going up in the air. Jeez. Look at the debris floating around. Yeah, strong, violent tornadoes. Sounds a bit right. Yo, it's still growing. Yo, this at least is a mile long. Crap, we're gonna have to take... Yo, there's people. I don't know why my game's not working, but it won't let me interact. Yo, there's people. Alright, well, I called. Holy guys, look at that side. Look at that tornado. Guys, I'm not even lying. That thing is huge. I could you not? It's picking stuff up all the way over here. Yo, I just hopped in game 2. What a wonderful day. I mean, not a wonderful day. What a wonderful way to start off the vid. Holy guys. It's crazy. Where do I need to go? Alright. Jeez, guys. That is a massive tornado. We're only 5 minutes into the video. There goes a Dominator. There goes another Dominator. Oh no, I won't be going that way. I gotta go this way. I gotta go take a right up here. Go to this dirt road. Not a dirt road, it's a pavement. But jeez, that's at least a mile to a half mile long. Holy, it's crossing the road up here. I don't know if I'll be able to set down any probes. Holy guys. We're gonna get as close as we can because I won't be able to set down any probes. Because there's no roads leading. Not unless I go through it, guys. Here, look, I'm gonna spawn my other car real fast. We're gonna see how much the winds are. I'm not gonna go inside. It's already 30 miles an hour winds over here. 36. This car sucks already. So many probes are laying down on the road. Y'all can't see it, but if I adjust my camera, hold up. Guys, this tornado is huge and violent. We got 40 miles an hour winds over here. There goes Dominator 1. Yo, 50. Could you not, guys? I'm getting way too close to this tornado. $80 mile an hour winds. 80 mile an hour winds. Holy guys. Oh, it's sucking me up. Oh, guys. I don't know how much closer I'm going to be able to get. It just broke my thing. Look at that side. Look at that. I've never seen one of those. The thing that goes around the side that sticks up. Yo, that is a that's at least a mile long of a tornado. Alright, guys. You know what? We're gonna go into this tornado. Oh, jeez, guys. Flying debris. Holy. I don't know. Like, the Dominator can't even make it. That's crazy. I'm gonna get swept up here. Just so crazy, guys. Oh, it just broke it again. That's crazy. Only 10 minutes into this video. Holy, we're going in it. We're gonna go, boys. We're full throttle. Oh, we're about to go airborne. Oh, we're flipping around. Oh, this is the most stupidest decision I've ever made. The hazards on. This is not average like a storm chaser. Like the Dominator is getting thrown around over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's getting thrown around over there by my mouse. Holy guys. Go. Oh, we're airborne. Oh, we're getting tossed around. I can't do anything. Yo, we're airborne. We're airborne. Yo, I'm inside the tornado. Guys, I can't do anything. Guys, I literally can't do anything. We're stuck. Yo, this debris might help us. We might be okay. Yo, my thing over here is broke. This is error. Holy cow, 95-mile-an-hour winds. I'm gonna hop out, try to push my vehicle. Yo, that is a massive tornado. We're gonna get a little bit heavier of a vehicle, so we won't know the exact winds. Head over to this bridge over here, guys. Oh no, it's about to cross out of the map. But what a day. Look, oh, we might even have another one coming behind it. I believe we do. Yeah, there's another one on the ground over there. I can see the dust all the way from over here. I want to try to go into this one. I don't know if it's going to happen. Holy cow, I just seen a car fly over here. But guys, we have another tornado over there, and it looks massive. I can see power flashes and everything. Power flashes over here. At least a mile long of a tornado, guys. Look at this. Over there. Holy, we got a cattle feeder rolling around. Jeez, guys, this tornado is huge. We're neck to neck with a person. Going 110. Can we make it inside the tornado? He's slowing down. He's getting pushed. Oh, we are getting pushed too. Heavily getting pushed. Oh, we're rolling. Oh, guys. Guys, I don't know what I can do. I don't know what I should do. I got too close to this thing. You can't get out of it. Once you're in it, you can't get out of it. It's shrinking. Holy guys. It's a massive tornado. Yo, I would have been a billionaire if I had probes inside of this thing.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter.
Holy guys. Things moving off the map. We're gonna respawn so we can get back. Holy guys, just look at that storm. Crazy. There's another one behind it. So we're gonna go catch that one. So when I get enough money, I am gonna buy the one. So this is the exact vehicle from Twister. It just doesn't have all the upgrades to it. So when I get enough money, it's only like 120 on the 42,000. Yo, that thing is roaring like crazy. Like holy guys, a massive tornado. don't know how many times I said that. Like, that's the biggest I've ever seen in this game. I've been playing this game for like a year. Biggest tornado I've ever seen. Massive. Absolutely massive. Tornadoes, that's at least an E5. That's an E5. Easily E5. Ain't no way it's not. The river sucks? That's crazy. This one guy said, why does it have to go through the river? It's in-game chat. Man, if you see this, and your name on Roblox is, I don't know how to say your first name, but KOKO, ABYSSAL_KOKO. If you guys see this, man, I don't know. Look at that massive tornado over there, though. Like, that's going up on a hill. The hills ain't stopping at E5. In real life, they might. In the game, nah. It's going over. You can just see the massive circulation it has, though. Like, it's crazy. Like, I'm nowhere near it now. Like, I'm gone. Oh, where do I need to go? So guys, I'm probably gonna end it here and go stream on Twitch. You know, yeah. Alright, well that was a great 17-minute clip. But right now, I hope you have a great day. God loves y'all. Be safe out there. And there's a tornado near your house. May God be with you. Also, just pray to the Lord. He'll keep you safe, y'all. Alright, see y'all later. Cowboy Lloyd, out.